So the first thing you need to do is get some 360 degree footage. So I'm here at Dunure and I'm just going to walk along this little bay here where you'll be able to see the castle ruins, some surrounding villages, and just over the other side there is the harbour, which you won't be able to see at the moment, but I'll be doing a flight with my DJI Mavic 3 soon and you'll be able to see the harbour then. Now, you won't be able to spin around the view in this particular video because this is a tutorial video showing you how I go about creating a 360 degree video. But I'll create a 360 degree video from this short clip and I'll put it up on YouTube alongside the tutorial video so that you can see what it looks like and you can spin around the view as you desire. But for the moment, in post-production, I'm now going to spin the view around to where I choose. And once you've got your 360 degree footage and you're happy with it, you then load it up into the video editing suite of your choice.